Late this summer, this tiny hedgehog appeared in our garden. No more than 15 centimeters long, and probably weighing less than 200 grams. I knew it would not be able to survive the winter without help at that size, so I tried to feed it cat food and decided to build it an isolated shelter. At first I placed it in the hedge where other hedgehogs have been seen earlier years. But I then decided to move it to a place near our shed where I had seen this little creature move about. I also mounted a surveillance camera to see if it would find the shelter. Quite immediately Melker the cat got interested in the hedgehog house, so I tried to block out the cat while leaving an opening for the hedgehog. Unfortunately, one cold morning I found the poor little hedgehog dead in some leaves near the children's playhouse. We buried it in the flower bed, and I kind of forgot about the whole thing for a while. But then one morning the surveillance camera had notified me that it had recorded something. Could another hedgehog have moved in? No such luck. It was a big rat. Now I know that rats and mice are common and have probably always been around in our garden and in our shed. But intellectually knowing it and actually seeing it on camera are two different things. To make matters worse, during the week that followed, different rats and mice were caught on camera. So I did what any person would do. I declared war on the vermin. Well, not a war exactly at first, but I went to the dollar store and picked up a cheap rat trap and baited it with the old classic piece of cheese. Because rats love cheese, right? I've seen that in numerous cartoons. The cartoons did not fail me. Cheese worked. Unfortunately, the trap did not. It just gave the rat a hard slap on the head, and the rat ran away. The following days the rats and mice continued to taunt me. So I did some online research and finally ordered a Thanos MK47 electric rodent trap and some actual rodent bait. I charged the Thanos, mounted it on its stand and fixed it to the wall where I had seen all the mice and rats. The stand is there to keep it safe from pets and children, and I did not want Melker the cat to accidentally get hurt. It did not take long for Melker to investigate the new garden installation, and luckily the pet safe stand did its job. Ironically, that very same day a new larger hedgehog moved into our garden, which made me very happy. But also a little worried, so I went out in the evening with a headlamp and moved the hedgehog shelter to its original placement in the hedge. I do not want the Thanos to kill off any hedgehogs by accident.